interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Numerous powerful earthquakes have been reported across the country within the last 10 minutes. Some reports include a 4.6 magnitude quake in Dallas, Texas, a 6.4 magnitude quake in New York City, a 7.0 magnitude quake in Wyoming, a 10.3 magnitude quake in the Aleutian Islands, and a 8.2 magnitude quake in San Francisco, California. The reason for these earthquakes is currently unknown at this time. Since it is possible that more earthquakes will occur in the next several hours, all residents of the United States are encouraged to take the following actions at this time. Locate a place of refuge that provides adequate protection. This includes getting under sturdy furniture, away from glass, windows, or other heavy objects. Being against an inside wall, or in an open area away from buildings, trees, electrical lines or overpass. Prepare an emergency supply kit that includes food, water, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and a battery-operated radio. Many more quakes have been reported as well. This has led to high amounts of damage across the country. For this reason, the President is requesting to speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KETC. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This station will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.